Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Range Rover Sport, and I'm going to be seafoaming the engine today. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before doing any maintenance and oil changes, I'm going to add some seafoam into the crankcase. Now I'm going to start up the car, let it idle for about 5 minutes, and then just drive it around for another 30 to 40 miles and then give it an oil change. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my Range Rover Sport. I'm going to be changing the oil and having a lot more videos on this car. So please subscribe and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.